Hey, welcome to Bikes, Boats, and Bivouacs. Today we're going to go over the new addition to the collection of bikes, the Yamaha TTR 125 LE. See if she starts. So this is a 2007 Yamaha TTR 125 LE. And the L stands for the larger tires. They make this model in a stripped down version, has a smaller wheel. And the E stands for electric start. So this bike has both the larger tires and electric start. It is a 4-stroke. I bought this for my niece, who was done using it, and we'll use this you know, whenever we want to hit a dirt trail or up at Three Rings Camp. I did have a lot of work done to it, and I had that work done at Kurtz Performance in Fleetwood, and I put a little clip of their shop in right here. Now on the TTR 125 Yamaha, we had a lot of work to get done to it to bring it back into a form. So we took that bike to Kurtz Performance on the Fleetwood Lions Road in Fleetwood to get the work done. It's on their family farm, Josh's family farm, and the retail store is right in here. I'll give you a quick tour of that. They do work on ATVs, snowmobiles, motorcycles, four-wheel, side-by-sides, and four-wheelers, and everything else. So I do a lot of work here. So let's check out the store. So this is their retail shop. You get anything you need for the bikes or four-wheelers. You see there's owner Josh behind the counter, always willing to help you out. So whatever you have, if it needs work, you can bring it here and check it out. This is their shop. And you can see plenty of space, storage for parts, a lot of work. And there is the TTR 125 Yamaha. One of the advantages if you use Josh for any of your repairs at Kurtz Performance is his shop is on a farm. So you can check out the farm. They do have open houses, but you can see the view from the farm. So Josh is excellent with motors. You know, he has snowmobile work that he does there, and motorcycles, and 4x4s, and three-wheelers, and everything else. So he was a good choice to get this done. He does excellent work. He really has a nice shop over on the family farm. So, what kind of work did we have done? The clutch and brake handles were broken off, so I had those replaced. The front rim had a dent in it, so they fixed that out, put a new tire and tube on there. The exhaust had a leak. You can't get this pipe anymore, so they welded that, and they were successful with that. The baffle was missing. We put the baffle in. The chain was bad, so we put a new chain on it. The back tire was new, it came with it, but it wasn't on, so I had them put that tire on there, changed the oil. This was missing, so they put this battery case back on there, new plugs, tuned the whole thing up. Really did a nice job with it, with the new spark plugs and oil. Also put a new air filter on there. Just, you know, brought it up so that it's a safe bike to ride. The one piece that's missing is the cover that goes here. So I have that ordered, but I'm just going to put that on myself now that it's warming up. I had them do the work because in Pennsylvania it's cold when we get into the winter season, and my garage is not heated, so I don't like to work on this stuff when it's cold. But she's ready. You saw she's running pretty good. Let me show you a clip of it running it up and down the driveway so you can see what it looks like running. I can start it here for you. It's a very smooth start. She hit second gear. And that is Marie testing out the Yamaha TTR 125 LE. She did it.
Alright, I would have to get used to it. But I did alright.
Yeah.
First time.
I did transport it from the shop to the house on my garden trailer using the bolted on system, which is just a couple of J hooks into the D-rings. I also use that into my RV camper. I'll put a little link up top here for one or both of those videos. I have one video where I show the bolted on system for the camper, and then another video where I show how I redesigned my garden trailer for the bolted on system. So one system, I use it both places. If you haul multiple bikes in different ways, you know, you don't always take them on a camping trailer, you have a cargo trailer or open trailer, you might want to think about that system. It's going to help you. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing to the channel. It's free, it helps me out a lot. Also, if you ring that bell, you'll be notified every time I put up a new video. And give the video a thumbs up, that helps too. But more important than all that, go have some fun out there. Thanks for watching.